Salam sejahtera to all audience. Today, I would like to share our research paper entitled Student Intention to Become Social Entrepreneur Integrating Model of Mair and Noboa Model with the Theory of Plan Behavior. This paper is authored by me and three of my colleagues from the University of Technology Sarawak, who are Madam Liing-Sing, Madam Cheng Ling, and Madam Angela Ling Tiong. First, what are the social entrepreneurs? As defined by the Malaysia Social Entrepreneurship Group in 2023, social entrepreneurship basically have two objectives, who are business development and the social development. Besides, social entrepreneurs are also defined as anyone who have innovative idea in business model to elevate the social problem. Therefore, it indicates that the social entrepreneur must have a business mindset, but their greater objective is to focus on addressing the social issue. Based on the current capitalist system, there are a lot of social issues that are mainly due to the market and the government failures, and the welfare and benefit of the marginalized people tend to be overlooked in this capitalist economies. However, social entrepreneurship has been identified as one of the strategies that could be contribute to the sustainability in society and environmental protection. To that, many studies have investigated the determinant of an individual social entrepreneurship intention from the diverse perspective, such as the theory of planned behavior with certain extension and Mair and Noboa model. With that, this study mainly examines the social entrepreneurship intention using a single perspective, which further limit the comprehensiveness of the finding. This shows that a very limited study have used the integrated framework of the TBB and the Mair and Noboa model in understanding the social entrepreneurship intention. Due to this research gap, this study intends to identify the factors that drive the student social entrepreneurship intention through an integrated model from the Mair and Noboa model into the TBB model. This is the proposed research framework, whereas the four elements of the Mair and Noboa model were proposed as the predictor of the three elements of the TBB, while the social entrepreneurship intention is predicted to be affected by the three elements of the TBB. Based on this framework, a total of 7 hypotheses were proposed in the study. This study collected the quantitative primary responses from the university students in Malaysia through the non-probability purposes sampling with 2 selection criteria. The responses were collected using an online survey through a Google form with a total of 170 undergraduate students in Malaysia were used for our final analysis. The questionnaire were developed by adapting the 43 measurement items from the previous study, and it is measured with the 7-point Likert type scale. Lastly, due to the multivariate non-normal distributed issue, the study have employed the partial least square structure equation modeling as an analytic approach to validate the proposed hypothesis. The measurement model assessment first showed that the outer loading value for all measurement items exceed 0.5, except for the 5 deleted item. All constructs have achieved the minimum level of 0.5, further validating the convergent validity. The composite reliability value for all constructs also greater than 0.7, and this further proved that the internal consistency of the study. Lastly, the HTMT value were less than 0.9 and further signified the attainment of the discriminant validity. Furthermore, the varying inflation factors VIF value for all constructs further show that the absence of the common method bias as there are less than 5. Structural model assessment first showed that around 76% of the variance in social entrepreneurship intention were explained by the 3 elements of the TBB, while around 30 to 43% of the variance of the 3 elements of the TBB could be predicted by the 4 elements of the Mair and Noboa model. Most importantly, the hypothesis testing result validated all proposed hypotheses, and this showed that the 4 elements of the Mair and Noboa model significantly predicted the 3 elements of the TBB, while the social entrepreneurship intention is significantly predicted by the three elements of the TBB. In conclusion, this study have identified the university student social entrepreneurship intention by using an integrated model, namely Mair and Noboa model with the theory of planned behavior. The results show that all proposed relationships were significantly supported, and this signified that the integrated model explained the student social entrepreneurship intention well. Besides, the study also offers several significant implications in both theoretical and practical models, such as enriching the existing literature while also providing the useful strategy suggestion for the stakeholder to cultivate the student social entrepreneurship intentions. So that's all from my sharing. Thank you.